Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can create a job and custom artisan commands and how you can schedule them. So let's get started. First, let me briefly explain what a job and command is and why you should use them. A job is used when you want to execute some code behind the scene. For example, let's say we have a chat application and there exists a chat between two users. Let's say there are thousands or even millions of chat messages that we want to delete. If we call our API for deleting all the messages, you can imagine it will take a lot of time to get back the response. And from US perspective, it is not a good idea to do things this way. So what we can do is create a job that will be processed behind the scene and inside a queue. And our users won't have to wait a long time for the response. So that is a job. A command, as name suggests, is executed from the artisan CLI, or we can automate it by scheduling it inside our kernel.php that exists inside app console directory. So that's the brief intro of these. Now let's create both of them and use them. So we will use our example of chat messages and let's create a job first. In order to create a job, we need to run the command php artisan make job and the name of the job. So we are going to use delete messages job. By running this command, a new folder will be created inside our app directory called jobs. If we open up our job, at the top we can see that this job implements should queue, which means queue worker must be running in order to process this job. To run a queue worker, we can simply use the command php artisan queue work. Down below we have a constructor and a handle method. Whenever a new instance is created or a job is dispatched, we can receive the parameters in the constructor and use them. The handle method holds our logic to be executed. So in our case, it will be deleting messages logic. Once you have written your logic inside the handle method, the next thing you need to do is dispatch this job. And in order to dispatch this job, we will trigger it from the controller. So inside our controller's method, we can do job name, which is delete messages job, ; dispatch, and we can pass in parameters if required. Now in order to create a command, we run php artisan make command and the name of the command. Once we have executed this line, now let's open our command and we can see three things: a signature, a description, and a handle method. A signature is something that we use from the artisan CLI. So if I give here message : delete, now I can execute the command as php artisan messages delete. The description holds the detail of our command, what it does. So in our case, what our command is doing is deleting all the messages. The handle method is same and it still holds the logic. So let's say we have a status in our chat and we want to delete all the messages of chat where the status is left. So what we can do is retrieve all the database record where the status is left and then load all the messages. Once the messages are loaded, we can dispatch our job from here. So yes, you can dispatch a job from a command. So what we will do is dispatch our job from here and import it as well. And then our chat messages will be deleted. Now in order to register our command, we need to go into the kernel.php and inside the schedule method, you can see a dummy command already set up by Laravel for us. So what we're going to do is uncomment this and write in our signature of the command, which was messages : delete. And now we can schedule our command as per our demand. So I'm going to do daily. So this command will be executed daily, and where the chat messages status is left, it will delete all the messages from the database. Once we have created our command and registered it inside kernel.php, if we go to the terminal and write php artisan list, you can see our command is registered here as well. So this is how we can create a job, a command, and schedule them. I hope you liked the content of this video. If it was helpful for you, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. If you have any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want me to create a video on some specific topic, let me know in the comment as well. Thank you for watching this video.